You guys know I've been talking about this for weeks, guys, and the day has finally come. Drum roll, please. Meet my girlfriend. Hey, girl.
Hi.
So, everyone, this is my girlfriend, and she's joined me on an adventure for 2 weeks on the truck life. How do you feel about everything coming, leaving your home, and joining me?
I like it. It's something different, but it's hard leaving home. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm so used to like my own routine, and coming here and everything being so different. It's hard. I'm not gonna lie, but it makes me appreciate him more because I realize how hard it is. Because I feel like I couldn't do it as a girl. Yeah.
So that leads up to my next question. Do you think you could do this full time with me, like be out here in the desert or even in the city, but do you see yourself, or do you think you could handle doing it full time with me? Because I know on YouTube there's actual couples that do van life, truck life together, but I mean, guys, she's a soon-to-be teacher, so this is like her last summer before she kind of becomes a full-time teacher. So yeah, do you see yourself doing this full time?
I would try it, because it's not bad. Like, I would give it a try, but I would definitely miss home because it is hard. But I think getting used to it, if you get used to it, like, it wouldn't be so bad. But it's very different, like, out of my comfort zone, like showers, trying to stay up late, like being with you.
Tell me about it.
Restroom usage, it's hard.
Yeah, I feel like especially as a girl, trying to manage restroom, and us as a guys, you know, it's kind of easy but hard for a girl, so I definitely agree with that. We got 2 more questions. And what's something, because she's been on the road with me for I think what, like 2 days already. This is gonna be a 3rd day. I just didn't want to put the camera right on her like the first couple of days. I want to let her, you know, settle in a little bit. But what's something that you already kind of hate about the road?
Honestly, just not having like my routine. Like, I was already telling Truckee that the other time, like, I just needed like a restroom, like where I can like do my skincare, like just like personal hygiene. Which like you can still do it obviously, but it's so hard. I feel like it's so hard, and it's probably something I do hate. Like,
I agree.
Like, like, I don't know, washing my face before bed, like, you can't do it, you know?
Yeah. So what's your truck driver name or nickname? You guys, alright, but if you guys could come up for her for a truck driver nickname, let me know down in the comments what her nickname should be.
They're gonna say, Lola la trailera.
Guys, this load is the first because we're actually going to Austin, Texas tonight. In this video, we're actually pulling an all-nighter, so let's see how that goes. In the meanwhile, my girlfriend is gonna be cooking some food. This is why I love when she's here. She's gonna cook for me while I drive, while I do all the man work, and she's gonna do the lady work. So she's gonna make some little, what kind of meat is it?
Like carne asada.
Yeah, but it's a sirloin tender steak. She's gonna do while I'm driving, and we haven't really ate. All we ate was Maverick. We got a salad, but yeah,
it was
definitely
very filling though.
Yeah, definitely it's time to eat. It's currently 9:46 at night, and we have a pretty long night, so she's gonna get to cooking. All right, boys, we got my girlfriend chopping it up back here. About to make some food.
Let's slice it first.
She's gonna chop them up smaller so we can make them like tacos, because then like that it's too much time to cook, and we don't really got all the time. She'll be waiting.
It's hard, guys, because the truck is moving.
the windows just so they don't smell too bad in here. Okay, girl, okay.
Time to grill some onions.
Guys, this food was a 10 out of 10. I feel so good. Thank you, girl. Thank you. You did your thing, girl. I'm tired now, but I feel so good. My belly is full. It's currently 2:43 in the morning, and we're making our first stop here in Comfort, Texas. We're gonna get some energy drinks, use the restroom here in the QT. Before we make it to Austin, Texas, GPS says we're gonna be there around 5 a.m. So hopefully we do. According to the reviews for this company, it looks like it's a very tight spot, kind of like the LA market. So hopefully everything goes good. I usually never run or drive in the night, so this is something new. Are you tired?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Well, not that I'm not sleepy, but
No?
I'm just tired of sitting down.
Yeah. We're almost there. We got, my GPS says an hour and 38 minutes. You know GPS be lying all the time, bro. Let's go, buddy. Let's get out of here. Let's skedaddle out of here. We're tired.
I'm not sleepy.
No? I
If
low-key
could
am.
drive, I would drive.
It's because I'm the driver.
I know.
I'm gonna teach you how to drive on next video. Next video, I'm gonna teach you how to drive. It's just that this load, guys, is literally straight through. Yeah. Next video, I'll definitely teach you how to drive. To our company. Now we have to look for the facility. I'm scared. Where's this guy going?
Head northeast.
got here exactly at 5:19 in the morning. Where's this guy going, bro? He's not even struggling, bruh. There's a lot of space, and he's over here. Don't know how to park. Now imagine it was like later on throughout the day, and there was like so much trucks and like so much traffic. Dang, man, that's crazy. You can't lie, babe. Like, there's a lot of...
Yeah, but you never know what it's his first day. You never know.
That's crazy. It better not be the yard dog. Nah, it ain't. What if this is where we deliver? What if we got the last door? Dang. I don't even know where we wait. I'm sorry, bro. Alright guys, so I put up and they gave us door 8 right here next to this guy. This guy helped me out. He was really nice. He gave me instructions how to check in. And she's still awake, guys. What time is it on your phone? It's 5:25 and she's still awake. Dude, you're built to be a truck driver, no cap.
I just didn't want to leave him alone.
No, that's so sweet of you. Alright guys, I'm gonna teach you guys how to back up California style. Look at all that room I have in front of me.
Let's see if he got it.
Trucking it, got it all the way in.
If he doesn't do it on the first try, he does not love me.
What the? I gotta go open my doors. I got a lock on it. So, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got the lock out. Now it's time to back in. This is how I back in with one door open and my leg out right there. Show the truck in front of me. I literally have no storage to play with. Right there. Ciao. Alright guys, it's time for us to take a bed. I mean a nap.
Paul,
What?
get out of here.
Paul? Grab Paul by the neck right here.